This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
3 D Blacks.
Okay. Okay. Welcome to Producing Punchlines.
This is where we take rappers' hottest punchlines and show you how they came up with those lines.
To Producing Punchlines. This is Uncle Yende.
Uncle Yende.
Chris Bennett. We're really excited because spring break is coming up. Did I say spring break part?
No, just talk.
Dork Squad killed them all.
Future Wolfgang.
Wolfgang. This is Chris Bennett.
Christopher Bennett.
Now I know we said we were going to be explaining today's hottest rap punchlines,
But in this particular case,
we're going to show you how a new dance craze came up and now is blazing the scene, and it is called cooking. It was made by an individual out in California named Lil B, and he's making really big strides today.
take a look.
I'm smoking dope. I'm on my cell phone. I'm selling dope. Straight off the iPhone. He on the quote. He talking nine zone. He both.
And that, my friends, is cooking.
Now let's take a look on how Lil B came up with that ingenious dance craze. Where is he going?
That's just how I do.
See? So really, Lil B was just in the right spot at the right time. He didn't just come up with that all on top of his head.
Hope everybody enjoyed. There shall be more to come. Bye.
See you soon.